opportunity as East Africa Breweries Limited looks to open a 15 billion Kenya shilling brewery in the area. Reports suggest that the brewery under the Kenya Brewers Limited is 80% complete and looks to help Kakamega residents by providing numerous opportunities, with Soghum farming being at the forefront. However, of concern is the lag in the opening of the brewery, as it was expected to launch in August.
We want people in the county to grow sorghum, white sorghum, and our message here today is to say we are here to stay, and all contracts will be honored by Kenya Breweries, and we will buy all sorghum in the county as long as you're one of our contracted farmers.
So leo tumekuja kwanza tuhamasishe watu na tuambie kwamba kuna project ya kupanda mtama, na ningependa kuhimiza wakulima wetu wote wachukue project hii very seriously. Umeona tumekuwa na masuala ya mahindi bei yake inarudi chini, wakulima wanaenda hasara. Tumekuwa pia na miwa imekuwa na shida kidogo, lakini this time round tumejifunza funzo ya kwamba tunataka tuwe na direct contact na kampuni ambayo inatulipa. So tumekubaliana pia hakutakuwa na wale brokers.
Now, moving on from agriculture to tourism, in a bid to capitalize on the tourist season, the government is looking to review charter incentives to capture low-cost carriers. The charter incentive program